Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope so. You are fine and doing well at your homes. As you know, your online classes has been started, and we have started our first chapter of English, whose title was, what was the title? Rini and Rohan go to school. And we have completed the 2 pages of this chapter, in which we have learned that there were 2 kids, Rini and Rohan, who were sleeping. Their mother, Mrs. Mala, woke them up at 6 o'clock. They get up from their bed, brush their teeth, taken shower, dressed in school dress, and came to the dining table where they had their breakfast. After having breakfast, they go to school with their father, Mr. Sameer Verma, in the red scooter, and bid bye to their Tommy and mother. This much portion we have completed in our first session. Now moving to the next page. After reaching to the school, they reach school. Okay, they got to the school. Who left them to the school? Their father, Mr. Sameer Verma. They are happy to meet their friends. Okay, after coming to the school, you also meet your friends. Like same way, they also got to meet their friends in school. And just they are sharing the greetings. Hi Hina. Hi Rohan. Hello Sunny. Hi friends. They are sharing the greetings. They are saying hi, hello to each other. Whenever you meet anyone in your school or anywhere else, you just with a greeting. If the person is elder than you used to say namaste, and if the person is of the same age, you just say hi or hello. These are the types of greetings which we say when we meet with each other. Is it clear, everyone? Hope so it is clear. Moving on. Both of them are in class first. So here it is told that Rini and Rohan and Rini both are in class first. You are also in class first. Same way, these both children are also in class first. English is the first period of the day. Okay, we know that in the school we have a particular timetable on which the school runs, on which our period starts. Same way, they had the first period English. Okay, it is clear to everyone? Moving on. I love to study English. Rohan is telling that he loves to study English. There are also some of the subject which you would like to study. Same way, Rohan also loves to study English. What is the favorite subject of Rohan? English. Clear? Priyanka madam is the best teacher. Here, Rini is saying that Priyanka madam is the best teacher. You also have your best teacher in the school. Same way, Rini had the best teacher named Priyanka. It is clear? From this page, we understood that Rini and Rohan reached to the school. They bid greetings to their friends. Hi, hello. They both are in class first, and English is the first period. Rohan loves to study English, and Rini's favorite teacher is Priyanka madam. Clear, everyone? Now moving to the next page. At lunch time, they share their tiffins with friends. At the lunch time is your interval time in which you just have your tiffin. Whatever your mother gives to eat in the school, you eat in the lunch time. It is a time where we can just have our meal. Same way, Rini and Rohan have their lunch time in which they share their tiffins with friends. Okay. You also have the habit to share your tiffin with your friends. Same way, they also share their tiffin with their friends. They exchange their food and just enjoy it, because you know that sharing is caring. The person who shares a lot is the person who cares a lot. While sharing, this habit is shown that you care for the other person. So sharing is a good habit. You should follow this habit everywhere, wherever you go. Clear? Understood? Everyone? Okay, let's move to the next line. In the games period, they play their favorite games. Okay, now after the lunch time, they had their games period in which they play their favorite game. Let us see what are the favorite games of Rohan and Rini. Rohan plays basketball. Rohan used to play basketball. Rini loves football. Rini's favorite game is football. So here we got to know that Rohan favorite game is basketball and Rini's favorite game is football. So from these two pages, it is clear that after having their breakfast, their father dropped them to the school. They came to the school, met with their friends. They shared the greetings. After that, we used to know that Rini and Rohan are in class first and English is their first period. Rohan loves to study English and Priyanka ma'am is the best teacher for Rini. After the English period, they had their lunch time in which they shared their tiffins and had their lunch. After the lunch time, they had their games period in which they played their favorite game, football and basketball. Is it clear and understood to everyone? We can move to the next page. Rohan and Rini wait for school to end. Okay, now they are sitting on their benches and they are waiting so that their school may end. I hope school gets over soon. Okay, Rohan is thinking that school may over get soon. And Rini, yes, then we can go home with father. After the school gets over, both of them can go to home with their father. After the period is over and when you get to know that only 5 seconds or 5 minutes are left for the dispersal or for you to go home, you also feel excited and think that the time gets over soon and you can go to your home. Same way, these both are also waiting for school to get to end. Clear to everyone? Okay, moving on. On reaching home, Rini and Rohan rush back to their mother. After reaching home, after the school gets over, reaching home, Rini and Rohan get back to their mother. They had a wonderful day. They had very wonderful day because they had a good study, they got to eat their tiffin, and they used to play their favorite games. So they had a wonderful day. Now, after they are coming, their mother is asking, how was the school, kids? And they are answering, it was great. You also know that when you come to your home, your parents also ask you that how was your school, how was your day. Same way here also she is asking, how was the school. Clear everyone? This page we got to know that Rini and Rohan are waiting so that the school gets over soon. After the school gets over, they came to home. They rushed to their mother and the mother is asking, how was your day? And they are telling it was great. Clear? Understood? Hope so. It is clear and I am not too very fast. Moving on. They hurry back home at the end of the day. Okay, after the end of the day, they used to hurry back because they were thinking so that school may get over soon. But they wait to go back to school the next day. But this does not mean that they are in hurry, so they don't want to go school next day. No, it is not this way. They want to go the school next day because they enjoy being at school, meeting their friends. At school, they meet their best friends and favorite teachers, play games and learn new things. Okay, now from this line it is clear that at school they love meeting their friends, favorite teachers, used to play games and learn things. In earlier session, I have told you that school is only the place where you get the chance to explore your things, to show your talent. You are good in dancing, good in debate, good in speech telling, storytelling, fancy dress, anything. The school is the stage. It is a place where you get to explore, to show your these talents and get to know that you are good in what. So you should come to school every day, be in the school with happy mood and study for your further good life. It is clear? So our chapter ends with this, and the homework for today would be, you have to write 5 lines on my school. You have to write 5 lines on my school and draw a school picture also. You can draw your school picture also in the copy. Just write the date on the right side and day, the chapter name, chapter number, chapter name, and just write 5 lines on school and write 5 lines, draw the picture and color it. Clear? And you have to do cursive page number 2 and 3. It is clear? Hope you enjoyed the session and you got to understand the things and it is clear to you. Stay at your home, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you for listening me.